In this video, I'll be talking about the concept of current and how it can be measured and calculated. Current is a fundamental quantity and is basically the movement of charge. This can be described as charge passing a particular point in 1 second. So, in a wire, the amount of coulombs that pass a point in a second is the value of current. Current is represented by capital I, and its units are the ampere or amp. The coulomb is a unit of charge, so 1 coulomb per second is equal to 1 amp. The coulomb can be thought of as a bucket of charge containing 6.24 by 10 to the 18 protons. Using some analogies, the concept of current should become very clear. If you think of water in a river, the amount of water that passes a point in a second is the current. So for example, this might be 5 buckets per second. Another analogy could be people going down a water slide. If one person represents 1 coulomb, when this boy goes down the slide, he is the only one to pass this point in a second, so the current will be 1 amp. But when these 2 people go down the slide, there are 2 people that pass a point in a second, so the current will be 2 amps. To make current flow, there needs to be an electrical potential difference. This could be simply achieved by using a battery in a circuit, as one of the sides has a higher potential than the other side. This means electrons will flow from the higher potential to the lower potential and create current. The greater potential difference, the more electrons will flow and the more current will flow. Current is simply calculated by rearranging Ohm's law and measured using an ammeter in series. In series circuits, the current will be the same, but in parallel circuits, the current splits up through the branches. If we look at this example of calculating current, we can see that this series circuit has a voltage of 9 volts and a resistance of 10 ohms. So by rearranging Ohm's law, we get I equals V on R. By subbing in the values 9 volts divided by 10 ohms, we will get a value of 0.9 amps for the current. Thanks for listening.